Hey, how's it going everybody? Hasib here, and in this video I'm gonna discuss how you can add social media icons in your funnel pages in GoHighLevel. So as we know that GoHighLevel Builder does not give you an element by default to add social media icons, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a technique, and by using that technique we are gonna create social media icons at the bottom. So let's get started. In order to get the social media icons, what we need to do is we need to go to flaticon.com, and you can sign up for a free account here. I have signed up already. And if you search Facebook icon, it gives you all these versions of Facebook icon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, and I want to turn this black color to white because it needs to stand out over the green background. So let's go to edit icon, and let's just change the color of it. A really important thing to keep in mind here is you need to sign up for the free account, otherwise you won't be able to change the colors of it. So after it's done, just download the 32 pixel or 64 pixel version of it, which is enough, and do the same for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all the social media icons you want to add. Right after you have downloaded these, you need to go to the funnel page, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to duplicate this column, the purplish section, which is the column. So I'm going to remove the element from inside, and I need to add another element called image, and here I will select the Facebook icon from here. After that, we're just gonna select this Facebook icon. It's gonna come over here, and let's reduce the height of it. Let's do it for Instagram too, and you can just link these to go to website URL, and here will be just a social media profile link. Same for Instagram. Now as you can see, these are stacked on top of each other. What we're gonna do is we're gonna select this column, and we are gonna come over here which says content alignment. We need to change this from vertical to horizontal. That solves our problem of the horizontally aligned social icons. And if you just give them a little bit space, this is going to be adjusted just like how we want it to. Okay, now let's add the third one. As you can see, I have added 3 social icons here. You can link them just like I did it for the Facebook one. And that's how you add social icons in the footer or any other place in the funnel page in a horizontal fashion. So I hope this helps, and make sure you subscribe if you like these content that I'm putting on a regular basis. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.